Let me start making this video with a very simple question that did you miss me in the recent past of late? And that's I'm asking only because now in recent time I'm not very frequent in uploading YouTube videos in our school channel. That's only because we have started with our this classroom teachings. And really I thank Almighty that life is getting back on the track. We are getting to see our children in the classroom, and we have started with our classroom teaching. So that is really thankful, and I want to thank Almighty that life is really getting back on the track, and we are getting to see our students sitting in the class. And hereby I say one thing, that we take all precautions, all possible precautions. We are not taking any chance, and we make sure that all protections and all precautions are taken, and we ensure all measures which are taken, even because this corona time is not yet over. So that is one thing. So yes, and one more thing I want to say, that it's not that we have stopped uploading videos in the school channel. We do, but that yes, the frequency has gone down. We are not doing that frequently. I'm not doing that frequently. I do on a regular intervals. So that's one thing. And the other thing is that why am I making all of a sudden, why I'm making a video today? It's only because the date today is 1st of November, and if and it's known to all, and especially those people who are associated with Haryana, and also who are in Indian. So they know it, that this Haryana state was born on 1st November 1966, and this was on this day, 1st November 19 back in the year 1966, when this Haryana state was born and it came into existence. Now I am really excited on a day like this because I'm in Haryana. I'm not from Haryana, I'm an outsider. I'm from West Bengal. So I thought of let's talk because I make videos. I'm fond of making videos, and this Corona time has really made me, a very proactive person, a teacher for going online, and I really feel very excited when I have to go out and make some videos. So that's really I do it, and that is how I feel really happy, when I make any such video. So that's one thing. Now this video, what I'm supposed to talk in this video, now this video is meant for two group of peoples. This video is meant for the people of Haryana, because here they will get to see and they will get to understand that what an outsider think about the state of Haryana. So here Haryanvi people will get to see that when some person comes from outside the state, how does he feel, what does he talk about, how does he connect himself with the culture and with the things of Haryana. So that's how it is for the people of Haryana. And this video is also for the people who are from outside, because through this video I'm from the state of Bengal. So I would be talking that coming to this state, how do I feel into my in when I get into any social gathering, or when how much am I satisfied coming to the state Haryana, as choosing as a ground of my career, and professionally I have chosen this state to be a state of my career and my profession. So I'm talking about all these things. So yes, as a child when I was growing up, so I have never visited before to Haryana. So what I heard about Haryana in those days, it was all about that Haryana is a state. It's a totally agriculture-based state where the agriculture is the main occupation and profession of the people. And I did not know much about this Haryana. And yes, one more thing I knew about Haryana, that the people in Haryana, they are very muscular, they are very tall, they have good physique, and they are into sports. And yes, it's also true, and it stands true that in any kind of events, when it comes to sports and when it comes to some organization, some games like the meet which is held and organized internationally, into that if we see that the medals tally, so we see that the people of Haryana, the sports of the Haryana, they bring the maximum number of medals if any when any sports events is organized on the international basis. This is one thing. And yes, one more thing I heard as a child, that in Haryana the food habit is really good. So here they are more into eating and consuming the milk products and dairy products, and that is how it helps them to have that muscular and tall physique. So this is one thing. Now let me tell you that the place where I'm standing, this is south part of Haryana, and this is called Mahendragarh district. And earlier, as I told, that as a child, I knew that Haryana was only mainly agriculture-based states. But yes, now the scenario has changed. So, and if you have any interest, if you keep your eyes over the different kind of competitive exams about which state and which district is doing how academically, so you must have heard the name of Mahendragarh, because Mahendragarh is one such district which is which tops in all rank in all competitive exams or any exams which is held and conducted on the basis of all India rank. So we find students from Mahendragarh districts. And let me tell you one more thing, that the group with which I'm associated, I'm professionally associated, is RPS group of schools. So from Mahendragarh plus the students from the RPS organization, you will find the students of RPS organization from Mahendragarh studying and doing jobs and studying in all topmost colleges, whether be it medical colleges, AIMS, be it top ranking colleges of the IIT, or and if you visit the DU, so the topmost colleges of the DU, you will feel in the campus the crowd is maximum from the Mahendragarh, plus they are the students of RPS organization. This is one thing. Now let us talk about how do I understand and how do I like the people of Haryana and Haryanvi people. Yes, if you're an outsider, if you are not having much of interaction with the people of Haryana, in the first place, you will say that they sound very rude. When they talk, they sound very rude. But yes, I want to tell you, no, they are not rude at all. This is how they speak. And I want to say that they are very simple from the heart, and they are very straightforward in their approach. If they feel something, if they do not like anything about you, they will say it straightly on your face. They will not manipulate the things, right? So this is not in their nature. So they are very straightforward, and in my opinion, that all of us should be very straightforward, right? What we have inside, we must speak out the same thing. We should not manipulate it, right? We should not be shrewd and cunning, right? We should not be like that. And that's why I really like the people and the language they speak over here. And if we talk about this weather over here, so here we have the extreme kind of weather. In winter we have extreme cold, summer we have extreme summer, and in monsoon season we do not receive much of rainfall here. So this is how is the state. And yes, if you see all around, even you see the back of portion of mine, it's a agriculture based state. So all around the year you will find some crop is always standing in the field. Now let us talk about the food habit of the people here. So the state comes that state is a part of North Indian states, and here the food habit, the what do they consume is they are vegetarian. They are 99% people are vegetarian, and they eat more of vegetables and pulses and wheat. They consume a lot of wheat, and they are more into eating called that dairy products, like milk and milk products. And they are not, the percentage of people taking non-veg is very less, unlike the people from my state like West Bengal, right? We cannot imagine of having any kind of meal without fish and going for the non-veg. But yes, when I was Bengal, I was also like I couldn't have any meal without having fish and that. But now coming over here, I realized that yes, this food habit, right, is really good for your health. And coming over here, I also really feel that I'm getting physically more fit and fitter. That's only because here we do not have any amount of pollution. We do not have, this is a state which has no pollution problem, because there's a lot of greenery. And still the state is 70%, the state, the people are into farming. So this is one thing I thought of going out and making videos with this. And yes, here what do I take care of into the organization of this RPS organization. I'm a language teacher. I train people for the language. So yes, and they do respond well, right? But I'm teaching this. And one more thing, that what I want, that so far I haven't been learned to, I haven't exactly learned how to speak this language properly. But this is one of my things which is in my list, which I really want to acquire and I want to learn. It is that language of Haryana. Really, I want to learn that Haryanvi language, because. And one more thing, I would say, and you would laugh listening to this, that when I visit now to my hometown, my parents and my relatives and my friends, they say that you do not look like Bengali. Now you look more like, someone who is from Haryana. you have big mustache, right? Your body language has changed, and you do not look like Bengali. You typically look like, you know, that you are from Haryana, and sometimes they call that you are from, either you could be a Yadav or Jat or Gujar, something like this, because that is how you exactly look like. So that I took as a compliment. I don't take it as an offensive statement. I take it as a compliment that yes, people are, you know, finding me more close to people of Haryana. And yes, that is one my thing. I'm really trying it hard to learn, because it's almost been like since the time I came to Delhi, came to North India. It's almost been a decade that I've been into Haryana, into the different parts of the Haryana. I traveled, and I tell you one thing, that the number of districts which I have traveled and the different places where I have been in Haryana is more than what I have visited and traveled in West Bengal. Even I know Haryana more than I know Bengal, because I worked in so many districts of Haryana. Now I'm in Mehendergarh, I worked in Gurgaon, I worked in Faridabad, I worked in Bhiwani, I worked in Pataudi. So there are so many places. So I am almost now I'm well settled. I'm really satisfied professionally, and also as when I get into socially, into kind of social gathering. And I'm really thankful that the Haryana, this people, and that's my organization, RPS organization. They have given me a platform to work and to prove my worth, and I'm trying, really trying hard. And that's only my, also my wish, that that I help student. I try to make them very confident. They are already confident, but I feel that, you know, I can make them more confident with their body language, and in their languages which they speak, which is English. But at the same time, I also want to learn this language, and that's the time, that's a time period I have given to myself, that in coming 6 months I'll be also very fluent in the Haryanvi language. So this was something I thought, let me go out and make one video on the day of Haryana. It's okay. Thank you for listening me and listening to me. And if there is any other occasion, I'll really come out and I'll make a video on different things which I often do. Thank you, and keep loving my video, keep watching my video, and thank you for all your support and all the view and comments which you give on my that videos. And I upload videos on RPS YouTube channels. We have official YouTube channel, and this video I will also upload in my personal YouTube channel, because of continuous making videos. I have got requests that I should also start my own channel. So my own channel also goes with my name, which is Dharambir Gupta. Let me spell it: Dharamir Gupta, DHARAMBIR. It's not V, it's B for Bombay. Dharamir Gupta. So that's my official channel. You can subscribe it, so that whenever I upload any video, you will get to see it. And I'm very particular about grammar and all different type of competitive exams for the SSB, and anything that comes for the in the area, into the area of English language. Thank you for all your support, and all your support. Thank you so much.